Johnson is the intervention. He was a new kid on the block. He's got eyes of deep blue, a spiky hairdo. They even say he's got a big dick. His tackles are fair, sends him up in the air, the ducks them down on the ground. Oh, ask Matthew Tate, down O'Driscoll his mate, what it's like up there flying around. Oh, lovely Gavin, beautiful Gavin, like a star on a Hollywood screen. I'd love an adventure to watch her adventures on the Millennium Stadium green. You all know his girl, a star around the world, Angel's voice, and he loves her to bits. He loves all of her charms, being wrapped in her arms, but most of all he loves her big voice. She's physically strong, that's how they get along. They never leave each other in the lurch. He can play Saturday, but not the next day. He likes spending Sunday morning in church. Oh, lovely Gavin, beautiful Gavin, like a star on a Hollywood screen. I love an adventure to watch your adventures on the Millennium Stadium green. With his Eden Park suits and his silvery boots, he's the Eden Welsh cool. But back home in Kencoy, when the folks get annoyed, tell him straight, you're a bloody great fool. The legs without hair and a come-to-bed stare, all the ladies think he's number one. Black hair spiked like a fan, and a fake orange tan, he could be David Dickinson's son. Oh, lovely Gavin, beautiful Gavin, like a star on the Hollywood screen. I'd love an adventure to watch your adventures on the Millennium Stadium green. Oh, lovely Gavin, beautiful Gavin, like a star on the Hollywood screen. I'd love an adventure to watch your adventures on the Millennium Stadium green. On the Millennium Stadium green. On the Millennium Stadium green.